Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my 4 Kelvin Ultra HD walking tour of Nova Marbella, one of the most beautiful neighborhoods in Barcelona, Spain. In this video, we will explore the stunning beaches and streets of this vibrant and colorful neighborhood, giving you a taste of the unique culture, architecture, and atmosphere that make this city so special. Before we start, I would like to ask you to please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos like this.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
And if you enjoy this tour, please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. As we begin our walk, you'll immediately notice the beautiful blue waters of the Mediterranean Sea, lined with palm trees and beautiful beachfront apartments. Nova Marbella Beach is one of the most popular beaches in Barcelona, attracting tourists and locals alike, and it's not hard to see why. The beach is clean, the water is clear, and the views are simply breathtaking. As we walk along the beach, you'll see plenty of locals enjoying the sun, sand, and sea. There are also several beach bars and restaurants where you can relax with a cold drink or grab a bite to eat while enjoying the beautiful views. As we move away from the beach and into the neighborhood, you'll see a mix of traditional Spanish architecture and modern buildings. Nova Marbella is known for its colorful street art, and you'll see plenty of vibrant murals and graffiti as we walk through the area. I hope you've enjoyed this walking tour of Nova Marbella in Barcelona. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions for future tours.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.